Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a glimpse in the life of Wayne and the crew, and we're gonna play a little dominoes real quick. We're gonna do one round. Let's see if I'm any good at this. All right, let's go. All right, who go?
You.
It was me. Oh, okay. You ready? Stop. All right. Okay, here we go.
With the 5?
Okay, so if your domino table don't look like this, you're not playing real dominoes. That table has got to be banged up, dinged up, smashed up. That's a real domino table.
With the 5.
All right.
With that.
With the blank.
No, English.
Uh-oh.
Blank of 5.
It's like today.
You know what? All right, let me introduce this. Brand new to the crew.
Brand new. Alright, this is not so nice.
Really? Really?
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Bring bottle.
Thank
you.
Aha.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Wow, you're laughing, man.
Yeah.
You're passing out with doubles, the guys in no trouble. 6.
Yes.
With the 3.
Yes.
With the blank. With the 4.
Oh, yeah.
With a 1.
Exactly
I
what I
like
need.
the
Hold on.
4.
Hold on.
I like the 5, 6, and 7,
Hold
8,
on.
9, 10.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait for me.
Wait to wait.
Hold on. Okay, hold on to that.
Yes.
No, I didn't. Really?
Yes.
Are you serious? Hold on.
Okay, lost.
Oh my God! Oh man, I could have went the other way. Yes, for what? I'm not trying to help you win. All right, guys. So we got. What's the score?
She got love.
You got love?
Yeah.
You got love? You got love? Ah, she got love. Sammy got love. All right.
Quiet.
Sammy got love. She lost 4 games. So, no, wait. How many games you lost? More than that? Wait. So,
Yeah, 4.
Ron got 4. You got what? You got 2?
1.
I got 1?
Yeah.
All right. So, anyway, guys, we'll see you guys again. Bye.